Well, guys, here I am at Libby Dam, Libby, Montana. And my buddy in Whitefish says, you gotta see this. It's huge. Man, it's not huge, it's gargantuan. I mean, I'm from Texas, but this is big. Oh my goodness. Look at the size of that dam. Man, my buddy was right. That's big. That's really big. That's gargantuan. That's huge. That's humongous. Wow. Oh wow. Oh wow, 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 wow. They just dammed up the whole valley. I think that dam backs up water all the way into Canada. That's just bigger than big. The U.S. Army Corps of Engineers takes care of this monster. I mean, it's big. Look at the mountain they cut away. Look at the mountain they cut away to put this dam in here. My buddy says this dam backs water all the way up into Canada. There's 3 power lines, 3 phases coming out. And they're coming out of get it right here. Right here. That's where those come out. Then you've got 3 more power lines here. And they come out right over here. Let's see, get this in here. That's where they come out. And I know you can't hear it on the video because it's so faint, but there's definitely a 60 cycle hum. I'm not sure if you can tell, but water's really coming out of here. You can see it boiling up over there. I think he told me way back when there was a rock slide here and the dam was built on a fault line. So now, I don't know if you can see it, I'm zoomed in as far as I can go. All those little dots, they're in a line, kind of going southwest and northeast. All those little dots are seismic monitoring, and they're monitored in Seattle 24/7. Amazing. A view from the top side now. That's where I took the first part of the video. I'm shooting blind because I'm looking at the sun and I can't see squat. But I think right about there, that's where those 3 lines come in the side of the building. Not real sure where that's on the video. Okay, you can kind of see here the level of the river coming out after it's produced electric power. The elevation of it, how much water this dam is holding back. And that's the elevation of the lake over there, the water that's backed up to it. If I remember right, somebody told me used to, in times past, you could drive across here, but not anymore. Yeah. Now check the height of the dam now on this side. Of course, I'm not tall enough to show the other side. But It's a lot of water for fishing, swimming, boating. Just beautiful here. Just beautiful. I hear a train. And thanks to COVID, the visitor center is closed. Suckers. There's Coeur d'Alene Scenic Byway. I went there and there and there and there. Then I went up here. Let's see. And then back this way. And then up to Libby. And right now I'm at the dam. And I'm heading up to Eureka to have a beer on the border. A worker told me this dam was originally designed to have self-guided tours. And then after 9/11, that was no more. You had to have a tour guide. Well, it took a little freedom away from us there. Then, after COVID, can't go in there at all. I'll tell you what, bunch of imbeciles in Washington, D.C. need to fire that swamp, drain it.